I want to thank first of all to all my team and the entire people here making this possible for us as a team together. Any one of you will find its own place, if not in our courses, rather in bringing their imagination to life by just prompting in Biela. Because as I said, now everyone and everybody, from kids to elders, from those who have the skills to those who they don't have the skills, are able to develop software. If you're not stepping now, you're not stepping into the future, and you are going to be grounded in the past. I want to thank first of all to all my team and the entire people here making this possible for us as a team together. Any one of you will find its own place, if not in our courses, rather in bringing their imagination to life by just prompting in Biela. Because as I said, now everyone and everybody, from kids to elders, from those who have the skills to those who they don't have the skills, are able to develop software. If you're not stepping now, you're not stepping into the future, and you are going to be grounded in the past.
Hello, happy Thursday. How's everybody doing? Theo, how
Hello,
are
Snow.
you?
I'm
Hi
good.
there.
I'm good.
Good. Robert, how are you? Our resident Spanish speaker. Come
Yes,
on. I love that. Where are you zooming in from today, Robert?
I'm still in Madrid,
In Madrid? Nice.
and a beautiful day, sunny day, so
What's the
Amazing.
temperature there?
here right now I think it's around 30, 32, something like this.
Man, that is crazy.
Where are you today, Theo?
I'm in Romania right now.
In Romania.
It's
I love
still pretty hot here, but I'm not too happy. I'm not too keen on these temperatures, on the humidity outside. I'm more of a forest person, more of a like mountain type guy.
Oh,
I'm not
nice.
used to
You would have loved where I was last week. So I went camping in the mountains, actually. I was at the lake. It was so good. Enjoying the sun. If you're in the chat, if you're zooming in with us, or sorry, watching and streaming in, let us know where you are coming from or where you're watching from. We'd love to hear, love to know. Thank you for joining us today on another Thursday build call. We're really happy about these calls, you guys. Biela is about building a community of builders around the world, and I always like to find out where people are logging in from, because we're learning from one another around the world. We're growing with one another as we learn how to become super effective vibe coders, just shortening the development gap, which is amazing. So thank you for joining us. Today we have a really cool call. I'm actually very excited about this. Going into the summer months, our team, Robert, came up with a great idea that I think you guys are going to love. And at the end of this, you're going to have the ability to use this in your own life. And then we're also going to give you a sneak peek into a product we have rolling out called Every LLM, and it is going to blow your mind. I actually today in our team chat, I asked the developers if I'm going to be able to fire Siri, like later on, like, can I fire Siri so that way I can start using Every LLM for everything? So you'll love to see that coming up as well. But
your sneak peek
just getting started, tell us, Robert, a bit of the idea behind this application. How did this come to life?
No, it was just something on my mind, like the summer's coming and the kids will finish the school, so they will be at home all the day, let's say, and we need to somehow give them tasks to do, or somehow they need to help us, because they cannot lay down all the day and not doing anything and watching TV or Instagram or something like this.
Yeah, that's so good. And you know, one of the things we love about Biela is that we're giving kids a great opportunity to do something productive online. In fact, we currently have right now what's called the Biela Build Battle. And if you know kids who are interested in vibe coding, learning to vibe code, we have a battle going on right now that has real live prizes and and everything. So I would say go to Biela.buildbattle.com and learn more about that. You can also register your kid. But along those lines, we want to create an environment where technology actually kind of brings us closer and helps us do the cool things that that we get to do in life and in community. So I'm really excited about this. I think that it's a really great project. So let's jump into it, guys. How do you?
Doesn't it sound a little bit like the project we made like a couple of weeks ago? I think it was like called Chore Up or something like that.
Yeah, it was. Now, the thing that's different, which I actually love, is that in that one, it's about chores, right? So the family can track chores, assign chores, get paid their allowance by completing chores. But Robert has gamified this. I know you, Theo, have been working on it as well, to have gamified this and turned it into a bit more of like a character-based, fun engagement, which I really like. I think about the young princess. I certainly would be queen. But let's get into it. Let's get into it and see just exactly how it's built. I love it.
Yes, and also it's about to be conscious that the procrastination these days, it's a very big problem, and also for the kids, we shouldn't show them to just to they need to do things like everyone. So if they start doing things since they are young, when they will be mature persons, they adults, they will be so functional in the real life. So this is the whole idea of this. So yes, this is like an RPG games where they can collect coins, then transform that coins in, I don't know, for example, a trip or to go to the aqua park or something like this, right?
That's such an interesting idea.
Yeah. Yeah. So, I mean, I'm thinking about it, right, as a mom, and I'm going to incentivize the family to work together on all of the things that need to happen around the house creates a bit of teamwork,
Exactly.
you know? So it's like team Sarah, team Cooper, team. And in that instance, the kids are always rewarded. We do this constant game of like, okay, if you do this by 5, then we'll do this. Or if you do this by the weekend, then we'll do this. And so creating a fun platform where essentially the entire family can create their own personality, and then do challenges together and watch the sort of tokens grow, so that way we can do something together on the weekends, like you said, go to the water park or go to the lake or go to a family movie, or, you know, whatever. Maybe, I mean, if you're doing it big, maybe you're going to an island. I don't know, however you do.
It depends on the family, right?
It depends on
or
the family.
how they perform during the summer.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. It can be combined.
Maybe some family didn't get anything, so they will not go anywhere. Who knows?
Maybe they will just have dinner together at their favorite restaurant. But yeah, so talk to me about the prompt. How did you come up with the prompt? What was that process? And then what is the prompt?
Basically, I divided the prompt into two phases. Phase 1 will be little features, like for example, the interface, how should it look like.
Can you show us?
And the second part, sure, of course. I don't know if you can see it better.
Yeah, we can.
So, for example, the core design principles: no emojis, simple, child-friendly typography, so big screens and everything. And 2 models: parents' view, where the parents can manage all the dashboard, let's say, to create and to delete tasks, to add people also. And here is the part 1, app features, user roles, parents, mother, father role. What can do each one, what cannot do each one, okay? And the second part, we will add it after this. It's about the database. So this application is so simple. It's just one database, and everyone can use it. Just creating a username, and the parents adding the people to the, let's say, the family. One parent is creating a family, then it will add the members of the family, and then create tasks, and that's all. No need here any kind of APIs or something like this.
Yeah.
So if you want, I can start the prompt.
Yeah,
go ahead.
Let's do it.
Let's see. I created this prompt basically with a simple idea, how I told you, asking ChatGPT, look, it's coming the summer, maybe the kids, they don't have anything to do, and I have Biela.dev. Can you suggest me an application or a website? What can I create and to be interesting and to family friendly? And it gave me this idea. So it's 100% my idea.
Nice. Okay, so the idea, that's awesome. The idea even came from...
Yes, I mean, not all the time you can have amazing ideas. So sometimes you need a little bit of inspiration, right?
Yeah.
And I think the ChatGPT or Cloud or Gemini.
I mean,
can be
technically, you still
helpful.
had the idea, right? Because you still asked the AI for something for the kids for the summer vacation. So technically, it should count as your
Yes,
idea. In my
let's say yes. Like my assistant, yeah.
Your
I used
you and your
ChatGPT like my
assistant
assistant.
were having a conversation and you came up with this. Yeah, I love that. You asked the question, it gave some ideas, you validated. Okay, so while this did you already press start? Yeah, it's going, right? So
Yes,
this
it's
is the
thinking.
cool thing you mentioned, like whether you're chatting with Claude, whether you're chatting with Opus or whatever. So this is the moment, you guys. Every
we?
LLM is a new product that is coming out literally within days, and it is phenomenal. And the name in it describes exactly what it is. It's every LLM. There are over 300, what do you call them? Like brain? No, platforms.
AI models.
AI models, thank you. There are over 300 AI models literally souped up into one. And this means that when you're having a conversation, you don't have to have a conversation with just chat or just Claude, but actually having a conversation with every LLM will direct you in the right place so that you're interacting with the best suited personal assistant, right, for that task. So
I like to call it kind of like a centralized hub. Right, because sometimes you have like multiple tabs open. Maybe you have Claude, maybe you have ChatGPT open, maybe Gemini sometimes. And now you can have one single tab with every LLM, and you can have all of those plus like 200-300 more, right, at your disposal, which is insane to think about it. And you have all of these tools available to you.
That's right. And for me, I would say, subscription fatigue, it's not even just for me, but it's like a thing, right? Subscription fatigue, you can Google that. It's got a whole definition. It's like every model that comes out, every new thing that comes out, it's another subscription, another. This combines them all into one so that you have access to all of the different models in one location with one subscription. And then on top of that, as if it couldn't get any better, it's integrated with Biela. So when you are in every LLM, and let's say you're chatting and you're thinking and you're coming up with ideas like Robert just discussed, all of that information is staying in context. But then when you go, I want to build an app for that, it will just transfer you right over to Biela, and you can start building with all of that context, and you don't have to explain it, cut and paste it in order for Biela to take action on everything that you've discussed.
What's even better, it's actually giving you a prompt. Like from the get-go to actually start the project. You can have a full conversation with the every LLM. And at the end, you can be like, okay, build me this website that we've talked about. And every LLM is just gonna give you the prompt for it and take you straight to Biela to build it.
Biela to build it. I mean, it is so good, you guys, because there's this element of planning, right? There's the planning of the idea, maybe having the conversation with the chat or Claude, or I said chat. Chat and Claude mixed together, having that conversation to sort of outline it. And it's a very important part of vibe coding. It's a very important part of building. Well, we recognize that, right? And so when we're in these calls and when we're on the calls with the team, we're talking about real use cases. It's true. Like maybe I have an idea and it's already in my mind, but maybe I'm still brainstorming and really want to get more information before I start. Well, that has typically happened in these other models, right? And that's totally good. It's a great thing. It's something that we observed as a natural flow. And so then the team integrated those type of functions into every LLM so that Biela and every LLM talk seamlessly and connect those dots. So now if I'm creating an image, let's say in the image creator, which is inside of every LLM. And I'm using the nano banana that we all hear and use and talk about, right? And I create this amazing image. That image is going to be contextually aware once I come over to start building a project in Biela. It's all connected and it's amazing. So this is huge. I mean, when I said I was like gonna fire Siri, I was serious. I was like, I don't need Siri at all anymore. This is amazing. This is amazing.
Okay, we're gonna do we're gonna do a switch right now.
Okay.
I think Robert has a couple internet issues right now, so I'm just gonna share my screen.
Okay.
Yeah, unfortunately, internet is pretty bad. I think across like the Western Europe part. So
no, yes, it's a little bit bad, but today something happened. I don't understand what, but it's my connection, that's for sure. But doesn't matter because we talked about before and we prepared that. Maybe
that's fine. I have the same prompt. I can show it to you guys if you want. And I already ran the project. And while Sarah was talking, it actually finished for me. So I can share the screen with you guys and show it to you. So this is just the same prompt. I can show at the top here. See part 1, no emojis, the same thing.
Okay.
All right. Coin system, visual style.
Wait, you didn't read the prompt. Can you read the original prompt?
For sure. Okay, so first it goes like this. Family RPG task manager, right?
Okay,
Build a mobile.
Sorry. What's RPG?
Role-playing game. So we're trying to gamify this, and role-playing is pretty huge, honestly. Role-playing is basically, role-playing. You're playing the role of a character.
No. I didn't know what RPG was, so I Googled it. So I was just trying to help out the fellow viewer who didn't know.
All right, so yeah, you're just playing a character. In this case, you're the family member on this app. So build a mobile-first responsive web app for families where parents manage tasks and kids complete them to earn coins and unlock rewards. Styled like a simple, friendly RPG adventure game. Core design principles, no emojis anywhere in the UI, simple, large visuals, easy for kids to navigate. I'm just going to go through it because it's pretty long. I won't read everything, but yeah. RPG aesthetic, think quest boards, coins, level up moments, but clean and not cluttered. 2 modes, parent view and kid view. App features, user roles, parents. Add or remove family members from the group, create individual tasks. All right, set up team rewards like pool day, barbecue, movie night, tied to a coin goal. Kids can view their personal quests, mark a task as done. And then there's key features, individual tasks. Each task has a name, coin reward, an optional due date, simple card layout. The coin system, which is pretty important here. So kids earn coins on task approval. Coins shown prominently on their home screen, no complex stats, just total coins earned and current balance. Team rewards, parents set a shared goal, like pool day is 200 coins, which is actually pretty cool. Depending on I wonder how many coins it takes, for example, to take out the trash, right? Like how many coins
so
you get for that.
You could set this up. Like this could be there could be negotiation involved, right?
Yeah,
like if you're thinking about, as well as if you've got littles, right? So say you've got the little, and their contribution is so important, but like they can pick up stuff off the floor, like that's it. And they can get, just as many tokens for that small task as maybe for the older brother who's mowing the lawn, that type of a deal. But you can set those thresholds so everybody feels important in the overall goal.
Yeah, that's true. So let me read the rest. Team rewards. Okay, so I read that. Parent dashboard, clean list of pending reviews, quick approve, reject buttons, visual style warm, adventurous palette, large card-based layout, no emojis. Very important for me, honestly. I really hate when the AI adds emojis to everything. Not as much as I don't really hate the whole M dash thing, but I do hate when it adds unnecessary emojis.
Let's try to enter as a parent and then add the second part, because without the second part will not be.
I'll just send the second part. So you want me to send this in the chat and then connect Supabase, or how did you
first
think
connect
about this?
Supabase. I think it's better if you just create a Supabase, then send it.
All right, let me quickly do that, and then we can go through the app together.
Okay, and while you do that, I'm going to talk a little bit about what Robert just said. I want you to, he said, are you going to go to Supabase and create it, or are you going to send it? So I recently had this same experience, and I was working on a project, and the option to connect Supabase through Biela or go on to Supabase and to create it myself. And I actually opted for the second, which is what Robert just said. Now, you might think, oh my gosh, that's a lot, and how do I do that? This is a wonderful feature of our affiliate community. So we have calls on Monday and Wednesday where we go over details, information, we build together. Yesterday in our call, we connected somebody's domain name live, and they were, able to see exactly how to do that. So there are, in instances, steps that you have to take. And because Biela decided to build a community of builders doing this together, we offer that type of support. Robert and Theo are on our development team. You can sometimes see them in the Discord chat or our Telegram chat or on the affiliate dashboard, where we have team members who are there helping. But in general, you can ask Biela.
I'm in the Discord every day, so you can ask me, and even in English, even in Spanish, so I can help.
Yes, he's our resident Spanish speaker. So if you have a website, listen, to that point, we had somebody yesterday in our affiliate call where they made their website in English. They duplicated their project, okay? Then they told Biela, translate my second site into Spanish, and in one prompt, they had the site that they finished in English and the second site that they duplicated and translated into Spanish with two different URLs, you guys. This is amazing. So they took their idea and literally were able to create a duplicate product, two separate markets. Amazing. And these are some of the hacks that you learn through being in the community. How do I use this? How do I make it applicable? How do I take an idea and make it into a business? So this Supabase connection, I like to mention, is a mandatory really part of your tech stack. So you're a Vibe coder now, you're building, and when you create a website that has information that's being gathered or stored, there's a temporary storage that happens on your browser. But in order for that data to stay in place, no matter what browser you open it on, you'll need a database connected to it. And Supabase is one we like to use. It's free, it's very easy to set up. And then that way, the sites that you create will store the information. Now, at the end of this call, you're gonna have access to what we're creating, and it's stored on our database. So you can experiment with this family challenge, even just with the app that we're building now today. So, okay, I'll stop talking, Theo.
All right, well, you were very comprehensive about the whole Supabase thing. It's very important to know that nowadays. But we can go through the application here to the website while Biela is building the database.
Yeah.
And we can have a look and see what it actually looks like behind the scenes. So we're currently in the parent view. I wonder if I can go back. Oh yeah, I can switch here. So it's basically like a dashboard.
Okay.
And we have the family hall and the quest master. It's actually very gamified. I really like it. So we have.
Do we have any the family hall? Okay, so how many what family members do they have? Do they have a theme?
Yeah, so
okay.
Here on the home page, or let's say the landing page, you can pick your parent or your hero, and you can pick between Arya or Leo. But I guess you can change this once we add the database.
Yes, this is the main point why I say that let's try to to continue with the database because there is no sense right now. So first of all, the first step should be like create your username, then create like for example family or group or whatever you want, and then add family members. So you can choose who you want to be. If you are going to be the parent, then you can have access to other features, like for example add other members, create tasks, accept tasks, or decline tasks. For example, if your kid say that he did anything what he didn't, you cannot give him the coins, right?
Yeah.
We have a couple issues here. We're gonna fix this right away. But I do wonder if we're gonna have like some like an RPG game. I know there's like when you first start an RPG game, you get to like enter your name, enter your guild name, whatever. And
we can add also that on the should be like that. Should be like that. Yes, on the form, right?
Yeah.
Where you create your
when you first enter the.
I want to make my character. That's what I'm waiting for.
We can try adding that too. Yeah. I did mention the idea of adding like a sprite, like a free sprite that you can customize. Maybe. I'm not sure if we can do that.
Yes, you said, but I couldn't find right now any of them. Like, but you can do.
We can use the content studio for that, but it requires a little bit more.
Create the content studio or whatever you want to use. Create a character and then remove the background and create the PNG. Then you have your own character for free. Okay.
Yep. The content studio doesn't really create images with transparent backgrounds, so you gotta do a little bit of magic with the background removal tool in Photoshop or whatever you have available, like software stuff.
Speaking of available type software, I'm wondering if I can share my screen.
Oh, you want to share your screen, Sarah?
Well, let's see.
What do you want to show us?
I want to show you every LLM. Because can you see my screen?
Let me add it.
Okay.
It's loading. Okay. Yeah, we can see it.
You can see it?
Yep.
Okay,
so
guys.
Is this what you were talking about?
This is what I was talking about. Now you can see, right? It looks very familiar, the color, the brand. Good morning, what would you like to explore? Now, if you're on the Biela side, it says, what would you like to build? This, what would you like to explore, gives you an indication that, we're in the exploration mode. Now, maybe I wanted to make a presentation like a PDF or, right? Think about how amazing it is to build a site with Biela. You can build a presentation for whatever, right? Your business, the company you're working in. I had one of my daughter's friends, she wanted to join the dance company. It's like you try out and you travel and you compete, right? So she put together a presentation so that she could convince her parents. You can create presentations for anything. This becomes an everyday use type of scenario. When are you not making presentations if you're...
This was a highly requested feature, if I remember correctly. I think there's been a lot of people in the chat previously and in the affiliate calls that requested a presentation mode or some place where you could create a presentation, because
that's right.
You always need one.
You always need one, even if it's for a meeting that you're just presenting ideas at. It's 2 slides, It's 3 slides.
Coming back to like the previous point you made about the children, like even in school, even as a student, or maybe I think nowadays they use back in my days, I'm not that old, but back in my days we didn't really have screens or much of that in school, but I believe nowadays there's a lot of like iPads and computers in schools, and you kind of need to do presentations at some point, maybe even in high school or middle school, I'm not sure.
Absolutely.
But this is where Biela's every LLM can come in handy.
Absolutely. And let's say you have an idea, but that you're working on, or a business presentation that you're working on, and you want to turn it into an actual website so you can gather information, or you want to turn it into an app so that while you're in that presentation, you can say, hey, click on this QR code and start interacting with the app. Or maybe you made the application on a website. Here, go to this URL and you can start interacting with the app as you are doing your presentation that is on brand. I mean, this is massive, you guys. This turns using Biela into an everyday occasion. And I am so excited to get into this. I do have to admit, I have early access so that I can test it and come up with a lot of great use cases. So you guys will see more of this as we do more, but amazing. So now let's take really quickly this concept of knowledge. So you can see files, you can see URLs. This is different, guys. In the past, if you go to chat and you say, hey, check out this website, chat will say, I can't scan websites. Sorry, you have to take a picture of that website and upload the picture for chat to look at the information. Not so anymore. You can actually title and then add the URL that you want for every LLM to scan. Why? Because it's using a different model. This is where maybe your Perplexity comes in that does deep research. These are the models that are now available and interchangeable based on what you want to do. And so now, this is my personal, when I said I wanted to fire Siri, this is my personal assistant I'm developing. So I'm attaching files that are relevant to what I do, websites that are relevant to what I'm researching or looking at, so that it goes into the knowledge base. So as I'm creating presentations or doing different, or building different things like images, it's using all of that information.
Sarah,
amazing.
Can you build like a presentation, like a quick one? Just do like a 3-page.
Okay,
one
but give me a second. Wow, because you're going to come back and then I'm going to do that. But let me show you this. AI models, and then I'm going to stop sharing so that you can continue.
Yeah, sure.
AI models. Let's look at this, you guys. So there's a couple things: smart routing, auto, and free. This is kind of like your high level. It's got recommended sections and then all of the AI models. So if you just know you particularly like a kind, you can just choose that AI model, but you may not necessarily know. And so if you are going to create, let's say something to do with a video, you click to vision, because the vision models have to do with video. And here you're going to have the ones recommended for you that pop up, as well as additional, right? That do. If you, let's say you wanted to create an image, you're going to look at the models that they have specifically for image creation. Or reasoning. Again, you have your recommended. These are the conversations that you're having with the AI. And then agentic is they're actually going out and creating things and doing functions according to what it is that you're creating or doing. So
they're also good at exploring the websites and fetching data from other external sources, as well as like scraping data from the internet, right?
Yeah,
scraping entire websites.
Now, let's say I don't know the specifics of what I'm talking. All I do is I go to a new chat and then I start typing, and then Biela will choose the model from all of the different AI models that exist that is the right one for me to use. I can't say enough. I mean, literally, it's crazy. So
yeah, it's amazing, right?
Speaking of that thing with the like firing Siri from your phone, it's actually able to use every LLM directly on your phone now. And it's more of like a built-in solution. How many of you guys watching this live stream right now are using Telegram? I think it's a lot of you. I think it's the majority of you. And because every LLM is like, we've built it specifically for this reason, you can actually connect it to your Telegram chat directly and chat with it, create images, do research, do anything you can using the web browser directly on your phone, right? Like you can use the Telegram chat that you connect from every LLM, and then have a chat with every LLM website directly. I'm not sure how exactly to put it.
So basically, you have your own agent in your phone directly.
Yep, you have it in your pocket directly. So
Yeah,
where you
that's
talk with your
incredible.
family, you can have every LLM or your friends, right? So
Oh,
this is
and do a little task, right?
Yeah,
Like for
exactly.
example, a mail or something like this.
Yep. There's also,
That's
speaking of
important.
mail, you can also connect your Google account now, and you
That's
can
good.
email people. You can write complete emails. You can basically have every LLM. You can have
Send
like
an
a chat.
email. Yep, it's
Yeah,
connected
you can.
to your email. So you can just in that in the new chat, send an email to Theo and Robert, letting them know this is the topic for the live stream, and
That's
send them a
true.
reminder one day before, just so that they don't forget.
That's a game changer, because before they created like they built in WhatsApp ChatGPT, or you could, but it was just a little chat, exactly the same as you go to the ChatGPT on the platform or on the application or whatever. It was the same, but this one, it can create things, it can modify, it can touch buttons, maybe directly an assistant, right?
Yep.
I think it's a revolutionary.
You can research directly from your phone. Like you don't even have to open up Google to do any research, to search any web pages. You can directly do that. You can ask it in the Telegram chat and it will instantly do it for you. All right,
Something happened.
Yeah, I think there's a couple issues here. But yeah, I wanted to touch on that subject with the emails thing, because you can, like, my idea was that you could have a conversation with every LLM and then say that you want to send an email to like 10 people and then adjust each of those emails differently, right? Directly in the chat, you can tell, hey, for this person, I want, whatever name or something else as the subject. And then at the end, you can be like, okay, send the first one, the second one, the third one to these people. I can have as many emails sent, which is a pretty interesting feature. I really love it. And I hope people will give it a try. But Sarah, where can people find this every LLM? We've been talking about it so long, but where can people find it?
Yeah, well, I mean, I would argue not so long. We've been talking about it a bit because it is on the roadmap and it is coming up. So we did last week a special presentation, which honestly, Theo, you did a really great job. Presenting every LLM in our affiliate community with our founder on the call, Alex, and we talked in depth, and Theo did actually really in-depth demonstration of it. And it is in its final stages of testing. That's why I have been able to have the early access to do some testing. It will be available in your I don't want to say back office, but on your portfolio, on your what do you call it?
Dashboard, I think.
On your dashboard. It'll be available on your dashboard. Right. Similar to Open a Project, right next to Open a Project, it will say every LLM. So the sites are built to work fluidly with one another. And if you're in every LLM and you want to start building a project, it is going to naturally direct you right back to your account inside of Biela.
Amazing. All right, let's take a look at the website that we've made here. So I did give it a prompt that I want to have like a family setup and an admin dashboard button. So it did add that here at the top. Obviously, it's not the greatest thing to have an open admin dashboard button, but
no, I don't think so. Yeah, this is an error because first of all should be an sign up, right, or a login, then open dashboard and family setup, in my opinion.
That is true. Well, it's fine for now. I think we can just see it, and then if anything, we can change. Oh, I think it's like so it has like the family as like the default, I guess, and then you can just change it from there. All right, let's see the family, the gathering. Let's call it that. Save name. Saved. Okay. It did update. Nice. And then we can change the family, the members of the family. So
we shouldn't do that, right? Because right now, if you send me the link and I want to sign up, I will not be able. So, in my opinion, we should change all of these and send to Biela. Like first of all, should be sign up or log in. The second should be like if I'm a parent, create a family, and then add family members.
And in a splash screen, when you first enter the website, where either parents or kids can sign in or sign up, right?
Sign up or log in, yes.
Sign up. And from there, they can rename their family.
From there, the parents can create a family, let's say, create a group.
Create the family, okay.
And then add members by adding usernames from the database. This is the importance of the database. Otherwise, you cannot connect with, for example, if we are a group, we cannot connect with Sarah or with Theo, because will be just dummy data and will be on the device, will not be stored in any database.
Database, okay.
I think that's what we did. That's what we did last time, if I remember correctly. We had like a splash screen, but it was a mobile app, so it was a little bit different. But we had like a splash screen where you could log in and then have an invite code. We did it by an invite code, and you could give that to your kids, and then they could sign in. And
for example, you can add it by just by the username. In my opinion, it's a little bit more secure because
I just thought of an idea right now. You can have, well, if this were a mobile app, this idea that I'm giving out. So you could have, since you're a family and you're together, right? You could have the parents sign in, and then they create a family, and then they have like a QR code for the family.
For example, yes, and add exactly.
The kids can come in and they start scanning the QR code and join the family. That would be cool.
Yes, exactly.
Nice interaction.
That's very nice. And also, for example, if you organize like a little party, like a barbecue or something like this, and after the party you want to clean up everything, so you don't need to add just family members. You can add also other people who little tasks, like
especially like your kids' friends, that come over.
For example, exactly. No, that's true. They got the trust and everything. So
your children's
for the
friends,
day, and after the day, if everything went well, they have dessert or they have ice cream or something like that.
Okay.
That's an amazing idea, Robert.
That is an amazing idea. You guys, I have to take over the screen again. You got to see this.
All right, let's see.
This is amazing.
There's a lot of surprises for us today.
I'm telling you. Well, it's because, I'm just over here building at light speed, basically.
Are you going to show us the presentation?
Yeah. Can you see my screen yet?
Yes, we can.
Oh.
Okay. So check out this prompt.
Can you make it full screen, please? Like, can you make the window full screen?
Wait,
no.
No, just the whole browser.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me read this.
It's square. That's why.
It's square? But wait. I don't know what you mean. Like this? Is that
yeah,
better?
yeah, like that. Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, so I said, I want to create a presentation that's marketing focused. I want people to know about our RPG app for summer. You see, the summer is coming and families have a lot to do, mowing the lawn, cleaning the house, etc. We're creating a website application to gamify these activities. Create a few slides that tell people about it and welcome them to come join the challenge. Get their family together, decide on an overall goal to do, is what I'm gonna say, after they gamify these normal activities. Each family member can choose their own character and lots of fun and connection can be had. That was my prompt. Just totally off the top of my head as you guys were talking. And look at this presentation.
How are you concentrate?
I know. Did you see me? I was like zoning out. Turn choices into quests. How does it work? Choose your character. Assign quests and earn points. Set a family goal. So now this is marketing focused, guys, right?
at the same time you are creating the application and then you are creating the marketing part, and you just need to deploy it, and that's all. I mean,
Exactly. Set your summer goals. You can sit down with your team, gather your family together, brainstorm, come up with your big idea, and then track your progress as a team. Choose your hero. Each person gets to pick a part to play. And so everyone can choose their own hero. I love this. You ready for the game? Ready for the challenge? Let's gamify your summer together. Here, intro QR code, right?
Yeah, and you can modify this, right?
Oh, 100%. Because like, this is, not on brand, quote unquote, to what you're doing. But given that you're building the app and right, let's say you refine it, you've got your colors, all this stuff. Maybe you want pictures of your own family and you put them in there. But look how easy it was to not only create the product, but to create a marketing presentation to then share or talk about I'm done, you guys. This is like so next level.
yes, it is.
Imagine, maybe we could have started with every LLM and start with the presentation, then ask for a prompt.
Next week.
I think it's very nice idea, and I will tell you why. Because you saw the specs and you saw that little images of the
in the backdrop
phone
characters.
Oh yeah,
So if you take a few screenshots and send it to Biela, after that we'll create the look and view and feel of the presentation. So you have the full colors and everything what you wanted, and in the presentation is the same.
Yeah, absolutely. And the reality is you could kind of go either way. It's like chicken. What do they say? What comes first, the chicken or the egg?
You can download the presentation, right?
Yeah.
So you can just take a few screenshots and then attach it to Biela and send it. We'll understand perfectly what to do.
Yeah. Amazing. It's crazy, you guys. Yeah, you can save it, download it as a PDF, save it into your knowledge files, obviously edit it. I mean, so good.
That's nice. That's nice.
Amazing.
How is going this?
Well, for now it's still building, so I did tell it to do the splash screen. So I hope the splash screen will look actually pretty good, like a game.
We already have the database connected, right? You can press on code.
Yeah, we do have it.
Oh yeah, it's connected.
And it's writing code right now, so we can wait here for it. But I did have an idea previously. So while we were discussing this, I did think about like, where's this money pool coming from? Like, where are the coins coming from, right? Where's that coming from?
Are you asking the question?
Yeah, like, is it just minting that?
Well, I mean, it's just inside the ecosystem, right? Like, whatever you set the goal, whatever you set
the government.
You can set.
No, it's not. They're not Bitcoin. We're not talking about it. We're using coin as a term that indicates, relative value being associated with an activity, right? But it's not a functional coin, if you will. You can't take it outside of your ecosystem and go shopping with it. You have to go to the foreign exchange department, which only the Queen can. Right?
Exactly. This is not decentralized. Oh, you have also.
Only the Queen can issue real tokens that for actual work being done. I've been waiting for this moment, but
he was prepared, sir.
Exactly. This is my character. I'm going to be the queen of the castle in my game.
Pair some coins for.
Let's do this. So once Biela is done, you can deploy it if you want.
For sure.
And we can create our own to make a real demo. Let's see how it's working and to test it out. And Sarah can give us tasks.
Real coins. If Danny was on the call, then he would be creating the coin that went along with it.
Most probably he will be creating the the blockchain and the validation and everything. So no need for the parents to be validating the task or not.
Get real coins.
But yes, no, in this case, it's not decentralized. In this case, the queen or the king are deciding how much money or how many coins will earn
I was
by
thinking,
each
like,
task.
Since we have coins, maybe we can also make a shop where you can, like, if you get the coins as a child, if you get the coins, you get like a certain amount of coins. Maybe the parents can also add, similar to like a store, they can add.
I think, yes, that's the
different
main point,
gifts.
right? Exactly, because with the coins, you will be able to buy, for example, this Saturday, I'm going to choose what we have for dinner.
Yeah.
For 150 coins.
And it's always McDonald's.
I mean, okay, but look, who have 150 coins, it's up on them how they will spend it.
They can choose. Exactly.
Yes, or if they choose it on that or on something bigger. So in this case, they can earn it. So you will show them how to earn, what is important also. And the end of the summer, have something bigger. For example, like a pool party at home with all my friends. And there you will have not just a pizza, you have hundreds of pizzas.
That's
exactly.
Yeah.
Oh,
the shop would be cool. Yeah, we can probably add that as well. But let's see if we have time for that until this.
And the shop, for example, also yes, like a new, I don't know, something.
Maybe like a new console or a new game or something like that. Also,
consoles are a bit expensive, right? But I don't think it's a good idea. I mean, in my opinion, I don't know. Now each parent.
But you know, this is the thing that makes it. This is things that makes it so good. Is these are the negotiations that happen inside of the house every day, anyways. Right?
Exactly.
Like this is the reality. Is these conversations. Can I have? Well, how can I? Okay, what do I need to do in order to get right? So now we just put some metrics around it and gamify it, make it fun. I love it.
Exactly. I'm agree with because
maybe
it's a very good way to do it, and no need to give to the
maybe
children's
you can get
money.
a game for like taking the trash out 20 times, and then you just see your child taking out the smallest trash 20 times in a row.
No, that's not working like that. The rules are the rules. I mean, you can manage the tasks.
Yep.
You can validate the tasks if you like it or not. I mean, if he did something wrong, you can cancel it or just say redo it.
Deduct money from his account. Deduct coins.
No, let's not be rude now. Let's create something like this, and then we will change it somehow. So okay, I saw we have something like perfect. Can you deploy it and send us also the screen?
For sure, but let me test it out first. So let's see, create account. I want to see if I can actually create an account because sometimes it does give me an error and I just want to test it out. So let me see. Okay, I found the project in my Supabase and I just need to, if you guys give me 1 second so I can disable the email confirmation that Supabase always does because it takes a bit longer to sign up. So I just usually disable that. So I am what should I be? I should be, what, parent maybe?
Yes, for now to test it, yes. Then we create another one and we will give.
So the username will be, I'll do lowercase. Display name, okay. Email.
In my opinion, we can take out the email because the kids not necessarily need email or publish the email here with us.
It's fine for now. We can test it out.
For now, yes, we can. Yes.
Ah, perfect. It worked. Okay, I can deploy it.
Can you scroll down? Okay. Join the family as a parent. Okay, new parent. Create this one. Press on this one. Let's see.
On this?
Or yes.
You want me to click this?
No. Here should be like create a family or join a family? No?
Build failed. We have a
No worries.
failed.
it's
There we
okay.
go. Join family. I'm not sure. Maybe we need to create one
Not
first.
to join, to create family. Yes, we need to have a button where to create one.
Well, this is
Right.
the family
Okay,
creation, I believe.
but this is just to join. Press on it. Let's see what's happening. See, this is the same thing what we had before.
Father, mother, and Theodore.
Wait, it put you in there, Theo? Is it listening to us?
Okay, so in theory, yeah, you're right, Robert. We should have like a join family splash.
No, join family, create family, because join family, for example, a kid shouldn't join many families or other families, just one.
Oh, we can add here.
Add family members, yes. By username. That's perfect.
So if you create an
Okay.
account, I can add your username, and then we can you can refresh your screen, your website, and then
Maybe. We can
Let's
try
wait for
to redeploy it or wait to, yes.
or I can give you this link directly from the chat, and we can run that way, maybe.
Also, why not?
Okay, let's do that.
For now, and then we will deploy the other one.
Yep. I'll give it to Sarah as well. All you need to do, Sarah, is just open that and create an account.
Okay. Oh, you just sent it to me right now?
Yeah, I did. But if you want, you can also wait for us to try it out, and then we can do it on the deployed version. It might refresh at some point, so because the Biela
It looks so good.
the Biela chat is running.
Let
Yeah,
me
it
see
does
it.
look nice.
Okay, I create I'm an adventurer.
Quest.
What does it say for you, Robert, when you...
Sorry?
What does it say for you when you click on the adventure? Does it tell you to
Nothing.
wait for...
No, nothing, just it changed the colors for now. Password.
When you're done, just give me the username, please.
My username is Robert. Simple.
Yeah. All right,
Oh,
I'll
that's
wait for
better. See, if I'm an adventurer, I cannot see anything, or I can't create a family, or I can't create anything. I just see my username.
Can you show the screen so I can...
I will
so we
show
can
it, yes. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Just I need to take this out from here. 1 second, please.
It's a little bit of troubleshooting for people watching this, and once we're done, I mean, you can just give this to your kids, and then they'll be able to join. So currently, we're just troubleshooting a little bit. I want to remove these. Let's remove these. Perfect.
See,
Did you share screen?
it's like
Okay.
this. Yes. I don't know if you can see it.
Waiting room. Your username at
Did
Robert.
you see me? Did you see my... I just
Sarah,
joined.
I don't see you yet, but give me 1 second.
Check again, refresh.
Robert joined the family. Okay, Robert, can you refresh?
1 second, let me refresh it. Oh, nice.
He's
Enter
in.
us. Okay, so 0 quests, team quest, also nothing. Full day
Well, we haven't done
adventure.
anything.
No, not of course not. 0.
Sarah, are you in?
I-
What's up?
It says I'm a family member. I joined as a family member.
Give me
Do
your
I need to
username.
enter the hall?
I just need your username. That's it.
Are you sure?
That's all. And what did you do? What did you sign up as? An adventurer or parent?
As a parent.
Okay. What's your username? I'm assuming Sarah, but I don't know.
No, it's called, my username is Super Queen. SUPA.
Like this?
SUPAQUEEN.
Oh no. Refreshed. Okay, family setup. Super Queen as parent at family.
I see Robert.
So you're already here. Okay.
Oh, perfect. You didn't see me because I joined as a parent.
Yeah, you were already there. Okay. Let me see. So I can also remove. Let's remove Aria, I guess. And then that's it. Honestly, this really felt kind of like one of those RPG games where you have to do all of these different steps to find your friend in it. Didn't it feel like
this is why I said we can do it a little bit. It has to be modified, that for sure, because it's a little bit tricky. So,
but this is how RPG games usually are. I mean, if you want to find your friend in them, it's pretty difficult. You just got to go through all these menus. Like, what world are you in? What server? Come on, man, you're not in that server. I'm in that server. Yeah.
That's true.
Okay, so what can we do here? Open admin dashboard. Let's see. So we have 2 open quests and 2 adventures. You said you don't see any quests, Robert?
One second, let me check it again.
Let me add one. So let's say mow the lawn, let's say.
No, I don't have any quests.
Mow the lawn.
Create one, maybe I can see it.
All right, I'll create one. So if you guys can see my screen, yeah, perfect. So I'll do the coin reward as like 30 because I always think the mowing the lawn is pretty difficult. It's pretty intensive.
And it's unless you've got a riding lawnmower. You know, they have riding lawnmowers that have like a shade thing over the top. See, that's a different scenario. It's like,
all right, Robert, I gave you one.
Let's see. Okay, I have one.
So it wasn't assigned to you, and that's why you didn't see any.
Maybe. Yes, I have one. If you want, I can share it again.
Yeah, perfect. Share the screen. Okay. Yeah, the riding lawnmowers are really cool. I wish I had one, but like it's totally expensive. I mean, it's like $5,000 or something.
Exactly. It's got a cup holder for you and everything.
That's one of the most American things I've ever heard. Cup holders in lawnmowers.
That's the truth.
Here you can see my screen.
All right, let's see. What does Robert have? So,
Okay, so I have my quest. So I enter as Robert, and there I have my quest.
Perfect. And then you can just click on I did it, and you get the 30 coins. Or
I don't know. Quest submitted.
Approval. You need approval.
I need approval from you.
So if I go to Hall, open quests. I don't know where to go.
Open quests? Or just scroll here? Or press on Robot, for example, maybe?
Reviews? Maybe? No. Quests? Well, I should be able to see. Maybe if I refresh, but that will probably stop.
Maybe it's a feature what it didn't add yet, so we can.
Yeah, probably. Oh, pending reviews. I think it's approved to award coins. Yeah, so this wasn't added yet, but let's see if we can add that. I'll just say my child completed. And I don't see where I can approve in the reviews page. I think there might be a problem. And with this, I think we're going to be able to deploy after this, and we might be nearing the end of this live stream.
Exactly. I mean, this easy, right? Just to create a simple app for the family.
Yep. all with Biela and every LLM a little
in
bit.
our wrap-up email, that goes to the community, you will have access to open this page, decide if you want to do a family quest or quest amongst your friends as well too, because this is actually built for functionality. So we encourage you to use it. Who knows, there might be some special prize that's available for those who actually get on and use it. We would love to have your feedback as well too. Thank you guys for even joining us. Thank you for hanging out. I know we're not quite done yet, but I'm just saying all of the relevant things because it's very, very true. We appreciate you guys hanging out with us while we build.
And they can find this project, I believe, in the templates, right, Sarah?
It will be sent via email if you are on our email list. So if you have not already signed up for Biela, you would not be included on that. But if you have an account, even a free account with Biela, you will get this in your email as an interactable piece of content.
Yeah. Amazing.
It may potentially be, to answer your question directly, it may potentially be in the template section, but there's a little bit more refinement that we would make to ensure that we wanted to list that in the template library. And also, just even along those lines, if you are part of the affiliate community and you would like to take this prompt or this project and modify it to your liking, you can always email us and we would be happy to also get that project to you transferred into your account. And since you're watching this, it's for free. We wouldn't even charge you. We'll just send it to you and let you be very free. But yeah, that's because we're building a community of builders and we like to share the things that we build.
Amazing.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's see here in the, try it now. Okay, so enter the hall. Yeah, we have pending reviews here. Send back or approve. All right, let's approve, but Robert,
approve it, please.
approve it, please. So, this is where I'll be able to see your coins. Okay,
Exactly.
one quest, awaiting your review. Okay, so let's approve it. And yeah, you were credited. Let's go.
Yes, I will check it. Maybe I'm not.
Oh, you don't have the... Okay, let's deploy it first, and then we'll be able to...
No. Yes, I am perfect. It's working.
Oh, you have it?
Yes, it's working so nice.
All right,
And
let's
also
see.
we can add features like, but this is just an idea, then we can modify it a little bit.
I mean, it's already
Like
pretty good. I really like it.
Pictures of the task, right? For example, the before and after or something like this to show the proofs. To show the proof
Yeah,
that
to
it's
show
done or
proof.
not.
That's
How do
so
you
good because like if the parents are at work and the kid's like, no, look, I did the thing.
I did it. You cannot say that I didn't.
I did it connected to the camera. I love
What
that.
about some things like maybe like taking out the trash? How do you take a screenshot, like a picture proof of that?
You can
No,
take a
you really-
screenshot of the bean, then the bean when
Or
it's
maybe-
clean.
Yeah,
That's
exactly. Maybe your bin is outside, so you have to take it to the outside one.
Actually, I have another question. What if your task was to feed the dog?
Poor dog.
Because you
have to
gotta take a
these are
picture.
poor dogs.
You gotta take a picture of like the
You
The
can take a
aftermath.
picture of the no. You can take a picture of the
Of the
bowl
process
with
of the
with
dog
food-
eating?
food. For example, no need, but at least with the bowl that it's full of food or something. No.
All right, yeah. But usually, like when I fed some dogs, when I put the pebbles in the dog bowl, they charged at me. They started spilling it on the floor and stuff. I mean, they're pretty violent about the food.
Oh, like they get into it, especially depending on
Yeah.
if you've got more than one dog.
Oh man, I can't believe. So,
Could you
Sarah, what's on the?
Yeah. Sorry, go ahead. Sorry, cut out of it.
I think Robert wanted to say something.
No, I
okay,
just
go
wanted
ahead,
to
Robert.
ask if you could deploy it or not.
Well, it's trying to deploy right now, so yeah, go ahead, Sarah.
Yeah. So listen, guys, this project will be available to you, as I mentioned. If you are a registered Biela user, you will get an email. We encourage you to use it, have fun. We would love, honestly, if somebody does use it and you email us back, I guarantee you there'll be something we'd love to share with you. Now, what I would also like to kind of give a quick plug for next week. Next week, we have Danny, who we referenced earlier, who is going to be demonstrating our blockchain project. So this is going to be an amazing call. If you are involved in blockchain or you know people who are, this is a feature that is now available and it is next level. I'm still learning, still taking it in. To be honest, I used every LLM to give me a summary of actually what the blockchain project was. They were laughing at me, but this is real. This is really what happened. So, but it's amazing, and you can learn. If you're into the industry, you're going to be wowed by what it is. So definitely come next week at our Thursday call. If you are not an affiliate already, please sign up. We have community calls on Monday evenings as well as Wednesday afternoons, Eastern Standard Time. So again, we are a global community, and these announcements are made via email as well as in our back office. You can see all this information. So definitely tune back in next week, Monday, Wednesday, or Thursday for our build. And if you have a project that you're working on and you would like help with it, or you would like for us to build together, we would be happy to do that. We can bring you on our live, answer questions, build using our own tokens, our own coins, which is always a benefit. So reach out to us via email or in any of the support channels that we have: Telegram, Instagram, I almost said Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, or in our community chat.
Yep.
And listen, you guys have an amazing day. Thank you, Theo. Thank you, Robert. This is a great idea.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Theo.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching.
Yeah,
It's the end.
It is. And thank you for hanging out with us. We enjoy this time. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.
Have a good weekend.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.